Yes, we're painting.
We're gonna make invisible messages. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go. Look, Hero's coming back.
Whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Hi friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Sameet, and I'm here with
Mr. Hero.
Mr. Hero. Today, you know what we're gonna do?
Yes, we're painting.
We're gonna make invisible messages.
What messages?
Invisible, and you can do anything you want. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go. We're gonna take some baking soda.
Making shoot down a balloon.
Some baking soda, and we're gonna mix it with some water. Hero, can you put some baking soda in there?
Yes.
Let's put some more. You wanna put a little bit more?
Yes.
Now you take the back of your brush and just mix it. Here, let me help you. Hero, do you know what I'm doing? Hero, what am I doing?
You're mixing it.
That's right, I'm mixing it.
What a real message. Now I don't write my name on it. Right, Hero Buddha.
Before you guys start with the invisible ink, don't forget to fully mix your baking soda with your water. Okay, now we're good to go.
Hooray!
Hero, write a message on this. Don't tell me what your message is, and I'm gonna do the same thing. When Hero is done with this message, we'll be right back and show you how to make it invisible. Bye! Okay friends, now we're back. After we finished our masterpieces.
Pieces of
Hero, can you add some juice to the cup? Just a little bit, okay? Okay. Now, we're gonna reveal the hidden message. Hero, what do you think the message is? Okay friends, now that we're done our masterpieces, we're gonna take a paintbrush and some juice, and we're gonna lather it on top and reveal the hidden message.
message.
Are you ready, Hero?
That's my message.
I'm gonna show you what to do and you're gonna do it after me, okay? Ready? Okay, Hero, can you do that for me?
Yes.
Take some more juice. Put it over here, all here. Over here. Look, it's slowly coming. Good job, Hero.
Are you gonna come like my message?
Look, Hero, it's coming back.
What
The
is
message that we did.
It's coming back.
That's so cool, right?
Yeah.
You kind of put a little bit too much liquid here, but that's okay. Friends, look at our hidden message. It's a little bit messed up, but don't worry, that's okay.
Whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Thanks for joining us on our journey today with making an invisible picture.
New visible picture.
Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more videos and experiments.
Bye. See you soon. I love you all.